It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we cook goodies and make sweet treats. And on this episode, we'll be making steak again, but this time it'll be peppercorn steak. Peppercorn steak is something that my family and I only have once in a while. In 2022, I asked my parents if we could have it for dinner one night, and I was able to get the recipe. There's also a very delicious sauce that goes with peppercorn steak, but that might have to be for another episode. Get ready to raise the stakes, everyone, because we're about to get cooking. For utensils, you'll need a large pan, tongs, a tablespoon, and a plate. And for ingredients, you'll need peppercorns, beef tenderloins, oil, and crushed garlic. First, add crushed peppercorns onto your beef tenderloins. When the peppercorn is applied, pat them into the meat. Next, add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic onto the tenderloins. Pat the garlic onto the tenderloins. Once that's done, turn your beef tenderloins over and add ground peppercorns to the unseasoned side. Then, add 4 tablespoons of oil into your pan and turn your burner on to medium-high heat. Add your peppercorn steak into the pan and brown them, cooking them about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn your steak over and brown the other side for the same amount of time. Turn over your peppercorn steak as many times as you need to cook them to your liking. Then, take them out of the pan and you're ready to serve and eat. And that's how I make peppercorn steak. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on making. It was all in the cookies.